What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about our Porsche 911 50th anniversary. So this was actually produced in 2014, and starting in 2013 is when Porsche launched the 50th anniversary of the 911. They started producing the 911s in 1963. 50 years later, 2013, they came out with this car. This car they produced in two colors. This dark graphite gray type of color, and then also like an off-white vanilla type color. But yeah, so let's go over the car a little bit. Porsche kind of, made some exclusive options just for this car if you're getting the 50th anniversary, and they also numbered them. So they only made 1963 of them, which is very cool. So if you have one of these, you do have a limited production car, so that's very neat. But you're gonna get a standard, 911 GTS car. That's basically what this is. But they've kind of badged it up and kind of doctored it up to make it, a little more special. So let's take a look. So with this car, against this darker gray color, we kind of kept all the chrome accents. I think it's really classy and, very nice look in terms of, this is, a collector car, but it's also, daily. You can drive this every day. You have the chrome finishing, ties in with the wheels. These are optioned with actually the steel brakes, so, be driven all day, every day. What's really cool is a lot of the old 911s had a rear windshield wiper, and nowadays a lot of people don't option them because it, takes away from the sporty look. However, this is a tribute car. It's a collector car, if you will, and I think having that older type school look is really neat. I think, on our 964 Turbo, it has a rear windshield wiper, so it's, very nice to see that you can option that. Again, all the chrome, slits, chrome Porsche, they throw on the 911 50 badge, which looks amazing. And then, so these exhaust tips, they're chrome finished as well, but it's actually, this is fitted with the AWE exhaust system. So in a little bit, we'll fire this up so you guys can hear it. It sounds really good. So if we take a look inside the car, you'll notice the first thing that's very different than your standard 911. It's the interior upholstery. So 911, this is actually from Porsche. This is their houndstooth leather. So if you look back on a lot of their older cars, or if you do a special wishes program, they offer this, which is kind of, a tribute to their older heritage cars. It's very clean, very old school type. They have the optioned 911 50th with these cars. Also in the door sill, they have the 911 50 logo, which is really cool. And then if you look right there, it actually gives you the limited edition number. So this is 1079 out of 1963. So again, it's a limited production car, so you get a numbered car, which is really neat. And as a collector, buying one of these cars, your value is pretty much safe in the car, So that's always a good thing. This is optioned with the Burmester sound system, so it's the upgraded sound system, so audio is crisp. And yeah, let's kind of just start it up, and so you can kind of hear the AWE exhaust. You actually have the key fob here. It's finished in the same paint, so it matches perfectly. And what you do is you just insert this, pop it in, twist it to turn on your accessories, and then all the way to turn the car on. So I'm sure you can tell that's not stock. AWE made this thing sound amazing. Really woke it up. This is optioned with the sunroof, so you can put that back as you will. And yeah, everything else is pretty standard to the normal 911. So, if you have ever had a 911, if you want to get in one for your first time, it's really easy to drive.